Okay, good morning, students. I welcome all of you. Bio students were there with me. We've been together since 9 a.m., right? And chemistry students abhi सो के उठे हैं. तो very good morning to all of you. नहीं अभी सो के नहीं उठा. Okay, very good. चलो, all of you are ready, students. Ready. जल्दी बताओ. Ready for chemistry? सौम्या गाला, आदित्य गौड़ा. Okay. All right. Let me change the setting here. Chat with host only. Okay. Yes. Okay, I can see many students, many new faces. Many of them were already there in the bio session. But अभी कौन join हो गए? अर्नव, वैभव, ध्रुवमन, फलक निसार, लावण्य, प्रशांत, सौम्या गाला. That's it. बाकी सारे बायो वाले हैं. Very good. Okay, so start करें students. Should we? So we're officially starting our chemistry from today. Chemistry 2, I should say organic chemistry. Organic chemistry I'll be taking with you, and yes, we'll be starting with the chapter hydrocarbons. Now we have done the groundwork for it. Groundwork हमने already कर लिया है ना? अगर आपको याद है तो we have already done the all of you can hear me clearly, students? You can hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
thank you. Okay, so we have already gone through the nomenclature, right? We have already gone through the nomenclature, and we have gone through the various functional groups like aldehyde and ketones and alcohols and these functional groups. But what I'll be doing is these things were for foundation courses. Foundation batches के लिए हमने ये किया था. अब हम क्या करेंगे? फिर से एक शुरुआत करेंगे. ठीक है? We will again go through the each and every element so that अगर if in case किसी का demo sessions में कुछ miss हो गया होगा तो everyone should be with you. ठीक है? Also, this session is being recorded, so I'll be uploading this session on our YouTube channel today itself before evening. So all of you can revisit this session, go through it, and if you think कि मैंने lecture के वक्त कुछ miss कर दिया था तो आप उसको note down कर सकते हो. Again, as I said in biology also, यहाँ भी I would like to repeat कि do not do just the writing work. Chemistry में, especially organic chemistry, there is significant amount of writing involved, so I'm expecting you people to be very good with the writing, very quick with the writing. जो मैं बोलूँगा सिर्फ उतना ही लिखो, excessive चीजें नहीं लिखनी. जो मैं flowcharts बनाऊंगा screen पे, that you just have to take screenshot. Later on you can note it down in your notebooks. ठीक है students? अभी के लिए लिखना नहीं. जब मैं बोलूंगा तभी आप लिखोगे. You will write only when I'll ask you to write, not before that. Okay students? So writing part has to be only when I'll ask you to write. Okay, so let us begin. The chapter name is hydrocarbons. You will find this chapter in both your NCERT as well as your board's textbook. NCERT as well as your board's textbook. Okay. Chapter name is hydrocarbons. So let me write the name of chapter first. On the screen, it is hydrocarbons. We are starting with hydrocarbons. Okay. Hydrocarbons. Now, I want all these. जो भी आज से हम discuss करेंगे students, I want everyone to keep a proper note of it. And you have to keep on updating notes to me. As far as possible, try to maintain colorful notes because organic chemistry is very, very important to maintain, to write your text in different colors. जैसे मैं यहाँ पे लिखूंगा screen पे. Similarly, try to follow a color code so that you can remember, you can identify कि कौन से section को हम क्या नाम दे रहे हैं. ठीक है? Also, one more thing, if you are having any difficulty with Hindi, let me know that I have to explain the same thing in English. Okay? If in case I go into Hindi tone, just let me know, okay, sir, I want your re-explanation for this concept which you explained just now in Hindi. And similarly, किसी को अगर English में कुछ चीजें ना समझ में आए, तो अगर मैंने इंग्लिश में कोई बात बोल दी है तो आप मुझे वापस से, आप मुझे चैट बॉक्स में बोल सकते हो, सर ये चीज वापस से हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कर. मैं वापस से हिंदी में आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा. जहां तक I'll try my best कि मैं सारी चीजें हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में बोलते रहूं ताकि स्टूडेंट्स को इशू ना हो. बट इफ इन केस स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव दिस लैंग्वेज इशू, अगर आपको लैंग्वेज इशू है तो कोई भी टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप यहाँ पे इंग्लिश हिंदी सीखने नहीं आए हो, आप यहाँ पे केमिस्ट्री सीखने आए हो. सो दैट इज योर प्राइमरी इंपॉर्टेंस. ठीक है? उसको ही आपको ज्यादा तवज्जो देनी है। तो आप जैसे जैसे आपको कुछ इशू हो रहा है, आप मुझे मैसेज करते रहो, मैं आपके हिसाब से it will be totally customized. Okay, it will be totally customized, and you can follow this approach in every session. Students, Catch 25 Science Academy के सारे टीचर्स को आपको जब भी कुछ तकलीफ हो, you can just let them know and we will accordingly modify for you. Okay, let me write this in different color, and here we start, students. So I welcome all of you for this session. Hydrocarbons is what we are starting for, and the first section, the first word, let us segregate it. Let us break this into two parts. So what do I mean by hydrocarbon, students? That is my first question. I want all of you to reply me on audio. What do I mean by hydrocarbons? So who's coming first? Yes, Ramesh.
Compounds of hydrogen and carbon.
Shabash. Compounds made up of hydrogen and carbons. Compounds made up of hydrogen and carbons. I would be having only hydrogen and carbon inside my molecule. Let me write it over here, students. चलो फटाफट से लिख देते हैं. So it should have hydrogens, and it will have carbon or carbons. Why do I say carbon? Why do I say carbon, students? Why do I say carbon और carbons? खाली carbons क्यों नहीं बोल रहा हूं? खाली carbons क्यों नहीं बोल रहा हूं? कौन बताएगा? जैसे मैंने hydrogens खाली बोला, hydrogen नहीं बोला. Why do I say carbon or
Sir,
carbon?
because methane has only single carbon but 4 hydrogens.
Superb answer, superb answer. Very good, Aditya. Shabash. Very good, Aditya. So we have to include methane also, right, students? Hydrocarbons also include methane, and methane has only one carbon. Methane has only one carbon. Therefore, I will say hydrocarbons are the compounds which are made up of carbon or carbons and hydrogens. Many hydrogens you will find in them. So let us begin with this. आपके first notes में first line ही होना चाहिए. Hydrocarbons are the molecules which are made up of hydrogens and carbon/carbons. That is the first point. Please take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, students. Take a screenshot. Do not write anything. Do not write anything. Just keep on taking screenshots. चलो यहाँ तक clear है? Everyone raise your hand. Let me see. Raise your hand if this is clear till here. Raise your hand if this is clear till here. Yes, Shabash. Okay. Okay. If you don't raise your hand, you have some issues. I'll ask your name then. I'll call out your name then. ठीक है? आपको हाथ ऊपर करना है so that I understand कि आपको समझ चुका है. Yes, ध्रुवमन, वैभव, जिगर गड़ा, क्या हो गया जिगर, क्या हो गया? हाँ. एक्टिव नहीं है तो you are most active. Okay. चलो बाकी लोग. Okay, very good. फलक निसार, what about you, फलक? दृष्टि शाह, is it clear? समझ में आ रहा है? You're catching everything?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Falak. Shabash. Okay, chalo, let us go ahead, students. Let's go ahead. So hydrocarbons ka meaning I've understood. I've understood the meaning, right? I've understood the meaning. Now let me see. Okay, no problem, Jigar. No problem, Jigar. Chalo, let me take you through a classification now, students. How do I classify hydrocarbons? What are the types of hydrocarbons which I have? What are the
So
types of
saturated,
hydrocarbons?
unsaturated, and then there are aromatic hydrocarbons. Just benzene.
Very good, Ramesh. Shabash. Saturated, unsaturated, aromatic, alicyclic, aliphatic, cyclic, unsaturated cyclic, saturated cyclic. बहुत सारे terms. There are many terms.
Isomers also, na,
Let's
sir?
go through. Sorry?
Isomers.
Isomers would be one of the properties of hydrocarbons. I'll not
Okay, sir.
classify them as hydrocarbons. Okay, so let me take you through these classification, students. Again, I'll be first drawing the entire chart on the screen for you, and then I'll also be sharing the chart which I have in the textbook. Okay, from the textbook भी chart में आपको share करूँगा image, but image के पहले let us draw the chart. हम साथ में मिलके draw करेंगे, ठीक है students? Okay, so आप drawing नहीं करोगे, आप सिर्फ यहाँ पे ध्यान दोगे, आप सिर्फ मेरे साथ बोलते रहोगे. Keep on speaking and keep on identifying the structures. All right, students. Chalo, let me take you further into hydrocarbons. So again, I'll use the color code. Again, I'll write like this: hydrocarbons. Let us classify hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons can be. So we will start with naming, right? No, Arnav. No. We will start first. Be starting with the classification, Arnav. Okay, let me classify. See, naming part जो हमने किया था ना, we have done this in demo sessions. We straight away went into the naming and functional depends on all those things, which we needed for the groundwork. Right now, we are beginning with the chapter, so we'll go step by step. ठीक है Arnav? Okay, yes. So let us move ahead, students. Now, hydrocarbons can be classified as. Let me use this color. Okay, can be classified as straight chain or
branch chain.
Branch.
very good, straight chain or branch chain. Shabash, straight chain or branch chain. Okay, so Rutvik and Nirav Sethia sir. All right, okay. So let us first classify it into straight chain or chain form, I will say, and then cyclic form. Okay, so I'll write the word chain form over here. Chain form, and ring form. Chain form and ring form. So chain hydrocarbons and ring hydrocarbons. Chain and ring. Okay, next thing, chain and ring form. So after chain form, just a second. Acha, Vaibhav, Dhruvman, I think you people are in the wrong session. Vaibhav, Dhruvman, you are from Kandivali branch? Burbi branch, which branch, Dhruvman? Okay, what about you? Vaibhav? I think you had to be in math session, Vaibhav. Math session में आपको होना था. Kandivali, हाँ, right. Pawan sir has already started this session, Vaibhav. So please contact Slochna ma'am and please enter that session quickly, Vaibhav, or else you'll miss out on certain things. Okay? Okay? You can exit, Vaibhav, immediately. हाँ, फटाफट से. Okay. Arnav, what about you? Arnav Chakravarti. Yes, you had to attend Pawan sir's lecture. Maths lecture is going on already. This is Andheri branch, Arnav. So you are in the wrong meeting. Arnav. So you can exit and you can contact Sulochna ma'am for the link and you can enter maths. Yes, okay, he has exited. Okay, chalo students. Chalo, let us begin. So chain and ring. Chain hydrocarbons, ring hydrocarbons. Chain hydrocarbons, ring hydrocarbons. I'll take you further into chain. Okay, chain hydrocarbons में students, मेरे पास कितनी varieties हैं? How many kinds of chain do I have? Straight chain hydrocarbons and loudly students. Branch chain. Shabash. So I have straight chain, I have branch chain. Students, I'll be showing you the images also. I'll be taking you through the presentation also. But initially, we will do everything on this white screen. I want you to be with me step by step manner. Okay, students? So I can have straight chain hydrocarbons and I can have branched chain hydrocarbons. I can have straight chain, I can have branched chain. Is this understood up till now? Quickly, raise your hand. Let me see students, raise your hand. Is this understood up till now? Shabash, very good. So I have hydrocarbons either can be in the chain form or they can be in ring form. They can be in chain form or ring form. How many types of chain form do we have students? Very good. Straight and branched. Very good. Straight and branched. How can I classify straight or branched? Students, straight chain, branch chain, दोनों को अपन classify कर सकते हैं. Very good. दोनों को we can classify as depending on the continuity. Very good term used. Depending on the continuity of the chain, I can classify them into straight chain and branch chain. And further, I can classify straight chain depending on the presence of unsaturation as saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, students? So they can further be classified as saturated and unsaturated. And this can be done for both of them. Okay? Branch can also be classified in the same pattern as saturated or unsaturated. Even straight chain alkanes or straight chain hydrocarbons, I should say, can be classified as saturated and unsaturated. Is this understood up till now, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone,
sir.
should I go on to the image now? Are we ready for the image now? चलो बेसिक्स तो हमने पढ़ लिया है ना स्टूडेंट्स, बेसिक कवर कर लिया, बेसिक कवर कर लिया हमने. नाउ आई वांट एग्जांपल्स फ्रॉम योर साइड. आई विल टेक यू टू द इमेज and then I need examples from your side. Okay students, ठीक है? I hope you've taken the screenshot. I hope you've taken the screenshot. चलो चलो, let us go ahead. ठीक है, let us go ahead students. I'll do one more classification over here. Ring का भी classification कर लेते हैं in the same pattern students. Okay, let us classify ring also in the same pattern. So I'll delete this part, I'll delete this part, and I'll go on to the ring form now. Ring form, which is also known as cyclic. It is also known as cyclic hydrocarbons. So in cyclic hydrocarbons also, or ring hydrocarbons also, I have two varieties. Again, same thing, students. Again, same thing. Okay. So I have saturated. नहीं, straight नहीं हो सकता.
Saturated and unsaturated.
Saturated and unsaturated. Correct, students? Saturated and unsaturated. When I say saturated, it is completely single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. The entire ring contains carbon, carbon, single bonds. When I say unsaturated, the ring would be having either one or multiple unsaturated characters. That means double bond or triple bond may be present in the ring. Am I clear up till now? Yes, students. Am I clear up till now?
Sir,
Yes, Jigar. Bolo.
the example of unsaturated carbon.
Yes. I'll come to the examples. ठीक है, Jigar. We are just giving the titles as of now. चलो, यहाँ तक clear है, students? Are we clear till here?
Yes.
जल्दी बताओ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shabash. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very well done. Very well done. Chalo. Let us move into the image now. So let me pick the image. कहाँ पे है? फटाफट से. I'll upload the image for you people and let us do the classification from there now. Okay, students. So hydrocarbons. Yes, give me a minute, students. So, okay, students. All right. So we'll start with this image. We'll start with this classification. We have hydrocarbons at the top. As you can see, students, we have hydrocarbons at the top. Okay. I'll zoom in. Yes, I'll zoom in this slide for you. So now very clearly you can see hydrocarbons can be classified as open chain compounds, open chain and cyclic or closed ring compounds. Okay, so open chain or ring form, open chain or cyclic form. Okay, open chain is also known as aliphatic. Aliphatic, the word itself indicates they are open chain, they're not cyclic. Okay, they're not cyclic. So inside open chain again I have saturated and unsaturated, saturated and unsaturated. I can either classify as straight and branched copper and saturated and unsaturated, or else I can go vice versa. Okay, we can go vice versa also. So what they have done is they have first classified open chain as saturated and unsaturated, and within that these two classes they have again classified as straight chain and branch chain. So you can do in this pattern also. Why they have preferred this pattern, students? Only because they have segregated this chapter into three parts: alkane, alkene, alkyne. Therefore, they first classified it as saturated, unsaturated, and then they've gone to straight chain and branch chain. So open chain can further be classified. I'm using the laser, students. Please focus over here. Open chain over here can further be classified as saturated and unsaturated. Saturated and unsaturated. What do I mean by saturated? What do I mean by saturated? So when I say saturated, students, yes. ओपन चेन क्या होता है? ठीक है जोहा, मैं बताता हूँ ओपन चेन क्या होता है. ओके, सो ओपन चेन मतलब कैसा जोहा? ये देख ऐसा, इस तरह से CH3 CH2 CH3, ये ओपन चेन होगा. करेक्ट जोहा? अगर ऐसा मैंने बना दिया CH2 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 एंड इसको यहां कंबाइन कर दिया इससे, सो दिस इज क्लोज्ड रिंग, है ना, साइक्लिक फॉर्म. अंडरस्टूड जोहा? दिस इज साइक्लिक फॉर्म. इज दैट क्लियर? बेंजीन देखा है जोहा? बेंजीन है ना, बेंजीन कैसा बता मुझे? इज इट साइक्लिक और इज इट ओपन? बेंजीन साइक्लिक है या ओपन है?
साइक्लिक.
यस करेक्ट जिगर, इट इज साइक्लिक. यस जोहा, शाबाश, है ना. वेरी गुड लावण्या, वेरी गुड लावण्या. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, ओके चलो लेट अस मूव अहेड. When do I say, when I say saturated, students, when I use the term saturated, what do I mean by that? What do I mean by that? I mean that carbons, yes, very good. हमारे जो दो carbons होंगे, both the carbons will have single bond. Or how many? You can consider many carbons, multiple carbons also. If in case, suppose I have 5 carbons. Suppose I have 5 carbons over here. Then all these 5 carbons will have single bond between them. They will have single bond between them, and the other bonds would be fulfilled by hydrogens. How can I say so confidently that the other bonds will be fulfilled by hydrogens?
Because they're
only?
hydrocarbons.
Because they're hydrocarbons. Very good, shabash. Because they're hydrocarbons. Right, students? So this is simplest example for saturated alkane. Is this understood, students? Please tell me, is it clear? Have you understood why do I say and when do I say it's saturated? When I can see carbon-carbon single bonds everywhere, carbon-carbon single bonds entire molecule में, in the entire molecule, अगर सारे molecule में मुझे carbon-carbon single bond ही दिखेगा, कहीं भी डबल बॉन्ड या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड नहीं नजर आएगा, तो मैं उसको बोल दूंगा सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन है. और सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन में कौन आते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? एल्केन. इतनी बात क्लियर है सबको? इतनी बात क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश. किसी को कोई डाउट? प्लीज आस्क मी. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स प्लीज आस्क मी स्टूडेंट्स. यू कैन स्विच ऑन योर ऑडियो एंड आस्क मी. चलो, सो अल्केन को कैन आई क्लासिफाई फर्दर? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड द क्लासिफिकेशन नाउ? हमने डेमो में इतने बार कर लिया है स्टूडेंट्स ये वाला. अल्केन कैन फर्दर बी क्लासिफाइड एज स्ट्रेट चेन अल्केन और ब्रांच चेन अल्केन, है ना. स्ट्रेट चेन अल्केन, एग्जांपल दे दो स्ट्रेट चेन का. एग्जांपल दे दो स्टूडेंट स्ट्रेट चेन का. बताओ, ये दिख रहा है आपको स्ट्रेट चेन? जल्दी जल्दी बता दो. यस और नो, यस और नो, यस और नो. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Sir, it's not a straight chain.
It's a branched chain.
It's a branched. क्या बात है? झूठ बोल रहे हो, मुझसे झूठ बोल रहे हो. ये तो मैंने स्ट्रेट बनाया है. ब्रांच कहाँ से दिख रहा है?
Branch chain, sir.
It is branched. Very good. It is branched chain. अच्छा चलो स्ट्रेट बना देता हूँ. ठीक है, let me draw straight chain. Okay, CH3 CH2 CH2 CH CH2 yes, okay, CH2 CH2 CH3 CH3. चलो अब तो स्ट्रेट बना दिया.
नहीं सर,
Branched chain.
फिर से ब्रांच बना दिया.
हाँ सर.
I forgot how to draw straight chain.
Sir, but if you will remove the methyl,
CH3.
Okay,
then
okay,
you can.
okay. Very good, very good. Thank you, thank you. This is very simple suggestion. Very simple suggestion. Chalo, let me remove CH3. Thank you so much. Now it is straight.
Sir, not from there.
Not that one, sir.
Not from there, sir.
Arey, then which one?
Sir, from the right hand side.
Okay, okay, okay.
Samya
Understood, understood, understood. Acha, you mean this one, na? This one, right hand side.
No, sir, not from the top.
Sir,
The
below
beside
one.
CH2.
Acha, 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 ye wala CH3. Oh, ho. Understood, understood. Done, 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 done.
The straight chain.
Now it is straight, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes.
it is still not correct, students. It is still not correct. It is still not correct.
Sir, it is a straight chain.
Sir, but it is a continuous carbon chain. no? So
From
it will-
left hand side CH3.
No, no,
Yes,
no.
sir.
Try to identify. There's something missing over here, students. There's something missing over there. Something is missing.
Sir, the CH value, the tetravalence is not complete.
Very good, very good, very good. This was Aditya, correct? This was Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Shabash. Can we have a clap for him, students? Can we have a clap for him quickly? Can we have a clap for him? Very good, Aditya. Shabash. Tetravalency was missing. You people correctly identified that one CH3 was extra. One CH3 was extra. It was making it a branched chain. You removed that CH3, but you forget to make it saturated. बेचारा वो कार्बन को और एक बॉन्ड फुलफिल करना था. CH was shouting, अरे मुझे भूख लगी है, मुझे एक और बॉन्ड प्लीज मेरा फुलफिल कर दो, प्लीज एक और बॉन्ड फुलफिल कर दो. आपने फुलफिल ही नहीं किया, है ना? आदित्य ने फुलफिल किया. आदित्य ने बोला tetravalency is not complete. How can you say it is a complete molecule? Wrong. It is not yet complete. Fulfill the tetravalency. Now, students, can I say now it is fulfilled? Can I say now it is fulfilled?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
say now it is fulfilled?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. So this is a saturated alkane. I hope this is clear. जल्दी बताओ, समझ में आ गया? समझ में आ गया बच्चे लोग? समझ में आ गया? Very good, Suyash. Shabash. Suyash is continuously replying in the chat box. Very good, Suyash. Shabash. चलो बाकी लोग स्टूडेंट जल्दी जल्दी raise your hand, raise your hand, raise your hand. जल्दी से हैंड रेज करो, मुझे बता दो तो मैं आगे बढ़ जाऊं. Then मैं आगे बढ़ जाऊं. I'll be confident if you are confident, students. If you are confident, only then I'll be confident. Then only then I'll be going ahead with you. Yes, Drashti Shah, Drashti. Done, understood, Drashti? Okay. All right, very good. Yes. Shabash. ठीक है. चलो, keep on replying, students. Involve हो जाओ मेरे साथ, है ना? सेशन का मजा लो, ताकि जब YouTube पे ये वीडियो अपलोड हो तो आपकी भी आवाजें आए वीडियो पे, है ना? आप शांत रहोगे तो आपकी आवाजें नहीं आएंगी. Okay, so this is an example of straight chain.
Sir,
And, हाँ, बोलो.
sir, in demo class, I had asked you a question. Can you repeat that name? I forgot it.
Sorry.
For that, sir, in the demo class for chemistry, I had asked you a question on IUPAC name. Can you repeat that? I can draw the structure. Can you tell the name again?
हाँ, yes, sure. Draw the structure on the screen.
Ah, sir. I'll draw. Yes, sir.
Five. Okay, double bond O. OH. Okay, COH. Double bond O. OH. Understood. Okay. OH. Okay, understood. Double bond O. OH. I got it. Let me go ahead with this. Okay. I'll go ahead with this very quickly, ठीक है जिगर, because this topic has not been covered yet.
हाँ,
So
sir.
बहुत सारे लोगों को नहीं समझेगा, तो I will very rapidly go through this. ठीक है, बहुत फटाफट से, ताकि तेरा डाउट क्लियर हो जाए, फिर मैं आगे बढ़ूंगा. This is students. Sorry.
You can just tell the name. I forgot
Okay,
the
sure. I'll just tell you the name. Okay, no problem at all. Let me draw the structures first. So this is OH over here, then OH over here, then I have C double bond O, and then I have again COOH. Okay, so I have this functional group over here, Jigar. This is acidic functional group. This is again acidic functional group. Okay, so this is, you can say, dioic acid, because carboxylic acids. Sir, okay, आवाज कम आ रही है. Shreya, I think you will have to check your network, because I'm speaking at the top of my voice now. Okay, Shreya. Others, can you hear me? Is there any volume issue with others?
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
audible. ठीक है. Shreya, just check once.
No,
Or
sir.
else don't worry. I'll be shouting it out loudly from now. ठीक है. I have water with me also, no problem at all. For bio students, my larynx would be working at a larger tone now. ठीक है. Larynx, sound box, voice box of the body. Okay,
Okay.
Rebecca has asked me about the alkyl group also. Rebecca, I'll come to the alkyl group also. ठीक है. I'll come to that also. I've read your question earlier also. ठीक है. But I say very quickly, let us answer this one. These are the functional groups. These are the functional groups. And I have one more functional group over here in the form of OH, in the form of OH. Now, Jigar, I will prefer carboxylic acid group depending on the reactivity. That group will be preferred first, and it will be made the functional group, the main parent group. So counting the total number of carbons, Jigar, I have overall 5 carbons. Okay, so I will label it as pentanoic acid. Instead of pentanoic acid, wait. Let me write down the name over here. Okay, so pentane. Bol.
Sir, if you want, you can explain it afterwards also when we start this topic.
Okay, no problem. I'll do it right now. Oic acid 1,4, sorry, 1,5, pentane 1,5, dioic acid. I have retained this E, if you can remember, if you can see, Jigar. I have retained this E. Why? Because I have D. So there is no, consequently, vowels are not coming. Therefore, I can write this E also. Okay, Jigar? Okay. Okay. I'll write the name. You can go through it and you can let me know if you still have any doubt with it. Okay. Then I'll refer these C double bond O as oxo. Generally, they are referred as ketone, but right now I cannot write them as ketone because I have already selected a functional group, which is oic acid. So now they will become oxo, and now these groups will become hydroxy. Okay, so alphabetically, who comes first? H comes first. So I will write over here 3,3 capital letter dihydroxy 3,3 dihydroxy, I'm sorry, dihydroxy dash 2,4 dioxo pentane 1,5 dioic acid. This is the name. Please take a screenshot, Jigar, and quickly I'll remove this from the screen. Others should not get tensed because of this. We have not covered these students.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Not yet covered this. Okay, we have not yet covered this, so don't have to worry about it. I'm going to cover this with you people. आपको कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. हमने कवर नहीं किया है, but because he had doubts, so therefore I had to do this. Monoxyl नहीं, oxo खाली बोलना है रमीज, खाली oxo बोलना है. चलो students, let us go ahead. So straight chain branch हमारा हो गया. Next I'll go to alkene and alkyne unsaturated. That means either double bond or triple bond. Either double bond or triple bond. So if I have double bond over here, this is alkene or alkyne. Tell me, students.
Alkene.
This is alkene or alkyne.
Alkene.
Alkene is the right answer. Very good. I like that tone. Some students, I don't know the name. किसने ये बोला, but किसी ने ऐसे उसको extend किया.
रेबेका ने बोला.
Rebecca, shabash. She extended that tone of alkene, which is very important to apply. Alkene and then alkyne. You have to be very kind with alkyne also. So call it alkyne rather than alkyne. Okay, आप मजा लो उसका, term का मजा लो. So alkene, alkene, alkyne. Am I getting this, students? Am I getting this? These two are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now, in case of alkynes, I can see single valency is still pending with both the carbons. Over here, in case of alkene, I can see 2 valences are pending. So this over here, let me write it over here, students. This is alkene. Okay, this is alkene. And over here, I'll write this as alkyne. This is alkyne. Am I understood? जल्दी जल्दी बता दो, समझ में आ गया यहाँ तक की बातें? समझ
Yes,
में आ
sir.
गई स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
हाँ.
Yes.
And if it has minimum just one double bond also, it will be classified as unsaturated. If it has just one triple bond also, it will be classified as unsaturated. So unsaturated तो समझ में आ गया, unsaturated तो समझ में आ गया. Can I incorporate the concept of branched and straight chain into this? Can I add the concept
Yes,
of
sir.
branch and straight chain also? आसानी से समझ सकता हूँ. मुझे unsaturated समझ में आ गया. Let me try. चलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं ट्राई करता हूँ, ठीक है? आप मुझे बताना कि सर ये अनसैचुरेटेड है या सैचुरेटेड है या स्ट्रेट है या ब्रांच्ड है, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स? ठीक है, तो अभी आपको मुझे क्या बताना है? ये देखो, सबसे पहले यू विल टेल मी वेदर इट इज सैचुरेटेड. जो भी मैं ड्रॉ करने वाला हूं, यू विल टेल मी वेदर इट इज सैचुरेटेड और अनसैचुरेटेड. If it is unsaturated, you have to tell me whether it is alkene or alkyne. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स? नेक्स्ट सेकेंड आंसर आपको देना पड़ेगा. इज इट अ स्ट्रेट चेन or is it a branched chain? All right students, am I ready for this? Every one of you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Ready for
Yes,
this?
sir.
Okay, this is very simple. ठीक है, बहुत मजा आने वाला है. And कोई भी ऑडियो पे फटाक से आंसर नहीं देगा. You have to raise your hand, students. Let us give opportunity to each one of you. Okay, let everyone enjoy. सबको मजा लेने दो. सब मजा लेने आए हैं. सब सुबह उठ के मजा लेने आए हैं. सबको मजा मिलना चाहिए. सबकी आवाजें चैनल पे जानी चाहिए. सबकी आवाजें यूट्यूब पे अपन जो वीडियो डालेंगे तो उस वीडियो में सुनाई देनी चाहिए. आपको बोलने आना चाहिए, देखो मम्मी मैं यूट्यूब पे आ गया, मेरी आवाज सुन रहे हो आप? देखो कितनी मस्त आवाज है मेरी. ओके, चलो लेट अस स्टार्ट स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, सो दिस इज माय फर्स्ट एग्जांपल फॉर यू. रेज योर हैंड इफ यू नो द आंसर. रेज योर हैंड इफ यू नो द आंसर. ठीक है, CH3 CH2 C डबल बॉन्ड CH2 CH2 CH3 CH3. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Question number 1. Is it saturated or unsaturated hydrocarbon? Question number 2. Is it straight chain or branch chain? These are my two questions, students. If you know the answer, raise your hand. If you know the answer, raise your hand. Yes, Drashti. Drashti, you can, I think there is some issue with raising hands, so you can reply me directly in the chat box. Okay, Drashti? You can reply me directly in the chat box. Drasika, raise your hand if you know the answer. Drasika, Falak, Manaswi, Manav Gandhi, Palak. Ready? Palak, समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो, raise your hand if you understood, if you're understanding. Yes, प्रशांत ने मैसेज किया दिया है मुझे already answer. Very good, प्रशांत. शाबाश.
Sir, I'm not able to answer on chat.
You're not able to answer on chat. Okay, why is that so? Everyone can reply to me. Palak, I think see, I have joined the meeting with by two different devices. Okay, Palak. So the one which has red dot besides it, besides my name, that is the device where you don't have to message. You have to message to me where you can see host besides my name. That is the number where you have to, or it is by default, by the way. It is by default. Your message will come to me only. ठीक है पलक?
Okay, sir.
Try it once again. चलो students, are we ready? Zoha, shabash, very good Zoha. चलो students, let us go ahead. Let us ask somebody now. ठीक है, विवेक को पूछते हैं. Yes, Vivek. Switch on your audio, Vivek.
Yes, sir.
बताओ, पहला क्वेश्चन का आंसर पहले बोलना. I'll ask you a question, you have to answer me. ठीक है?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
saturated or unsaturated hydrocarbon?
Sir, unsaturated.
Unsaturated. क्यों? Why?
Sir, double bond. Sir, double
Double
bond.
bond. Very good. Double bond. Carbon, double bond. Carbon, double bond दिख गया है यहाँ पे. So it has to be unsaturated. Shabash, Vivek. Which type of unsaturated hydrocarbon is this? Alkene or alkyne?
Alkene, sir.
Alkene, that is right answer. How will I identify alkyne, Vivek? How will I identify alkyne?
Sir, if it is triple bond, that's why. Sir,
Shabash. If carbon triple bond is present, we will call it as alkyne. Can I call this as alkyne? Vivek, please tell me. Can I call this as alkyne?
Sir, no, sir. Sir, it is. Sir,
it will be a carbon.
Okay, very good. I cannot call this alkyne. So who can identify the mistake in this structure? Who can identify the mistake? Raise your hands to.
In which
Sir, carbon has only, sorry, hydrogen has only one bond, sir.
Very good.
Can-
Hydrogen can have only one bond. हाइड्रोजन का वैलेंसी कितना है 1. और देखो यहाँ पे चमत्कार हो रहा है. हाइड्रोजन के पास 3 बॉन्ड कहाँ से आ गए बच्चे लोग? देखो हाइड्रोजन के पास 3 बॉन्ड कहाँ से आ गए? ये तो पूरा चमत्कार है ना. ये तो हाइड्रोजन नींद में है, अब तक सो के उठा नहीं. 3 बॉन्ड कहाँ से फॉर्म कर रहा है? सो दिस इज रॉन्ग स्ट्रक्चर, दिस इज रॉन्ग स्ट्रक्चर. ठीक है. सो विवेक का मतलब ये था. विवेक मेंट दिस स्टूडेंट्स. He meant this. Carbon triple bond. This is when we will call it as alkyne. Okay, Vivek. My next question, Vivek. My second question. Is it a straight chain or branch chain?
the branch.
Branch chain. How did you identify this?
On the second, it is CH2.
Okay. Chalo. Vivek, identify the longest continuous carbon chain for me. Identify the longest continuous carbon chain for me. Identify the longest continuous carbon chain. सबसे लंबा कार्बन चेन इस कंपाउंड में कौन सा है? कंटिन्यूस कार्बन चेन. कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूं?
CH2 से सर.
CH3
से सर. Down CH3.
अच्छा, यहाँ से. ओके, ठीक है. Then is this the one you're talking about?
Yes sir.
Okay, this is wrong answer. This is wrong answer. This is not the correct answer. Anybody else would like to comment on this? Which is the longest continuous carbon chain in this compound, students? Which is the longest continuous carbon chain in this compound? Anybody? Yes, Vivek, you can mute your audio, Vivek. You can mute your audio. चलो, कौन बताएगा इसका आंसर? Raise your hand, students. Lavanya, good to go. Lavanya. Yes, you can answer me on audio, Lavanya. Switch on your audio and answer me.
Even I think that is the longest
Acha,
continuous carbon.
Okay. No problem, Lavanya. No problem. ठीक है. Anybody else?
Sir, can I tell?
हाँ, sure, Manav. Go ahead. Shabash, Manav. Go ahead.
From CH2 above to CH3.
क्या बात है. Very good. CH2 से कौन सा CH3 पे लेकर जाओ, Manav? ये वाला. Just a second, ना? Just a second. By mistake, I have deleted this. So let me rewrite this. This is my CH3. And now, yes, tell me, Manav, कहाँ से कहाँ लेकर जाऊँ? Is this your longest continuous carbon chain?
Yes,
or
sir.
Is this your longest continuous carbon chain, Manav? This one, blue one or green one?
Green one.
Green one. Okay. Now your answer is correct. Anybody else who would like to justify for the blue box? Why not blue? Or why blue also?
Wrong.
हाँ, जिगर बोल.
The diagram went wrong.
Sorry,
The diagram is wrong.
diagram is wrong. Why? Where is the mistake?
Sir, on the second carbon. Now it is correct.
अच्छा, वो by mistake delete हो गया था.
Yes, sir, that's all.
Okay. Yes, students. Anybody else would like to justify for
But
blue
why
box?
not?
The longest carbon chain is 10.
Okay, very good. चलो students, चलो मैं अभी justify करता हूँ, ठीक है? Let me answer this now, students. Now, everyone please mute your audio. Everyone please mute your audio. Chalo students, focus over here now. Whenever I have unsaturated character, whenever I have double bond in my structure, students, or triple bond, you should always make sure to include that in your longest continuous carbon chain. You cannot avoid that bond. That is the first rule which is followed for IUPAC. Please mute your audio, everyone. Priya. Okay. Okay, is that clear, students? If I see double bond or triple bond, अगर मुझे double bond या triple bond दिख गया, तो वो मेरे कार्बन चेन में आना ही चाहिए. I cannot avoid it. Like for example, विवेक ने गलती से क्या बोला? विवेक ने बोला कि सर ये, क्योंकि उसको ये बड़ा चेन दिख रहा था. Obviously, this is larger chain, students. Check करो. But इस केस में विवेक ने by mistake, गलती से विवेक ने इसको नहीं लिया. So he has missed the double bond. Now that is not allowed. Double bond cannot be missed. Suppose students, ये देखो, please answer me, ठीक है students? Suppose अगर structure ये होता, ये देखो, check करो. Now can I say विवेक का आंसर correct है?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now Vivek could have been perfectly correct. Vivek could have been perfectly correct over here because his chain counting was very, very perfect to the point. He has correctly identified 5 carbons. But as soon as I put double bond over here, as soon as I put double bond over here, okay, now the scenario will change. Why? Because I cannot avoid double bond. Okay, students. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो मानव ने इतना स्मार्टली उसने क्या किया बताया, मानव ने क्या किया, उसने बोला चलो डबल बॉन्ड को ही पहले पकड़ लेते हैं, चलो डबल बॉन्ड को ही पहले पकड़ लेते हैं। क्यों पता है, मानव ने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया कि डबल बॉन्ड इज एट द टर्मिनल, डबल बॉन्ड इज एट द टर्मिनल, सो वहीं से काउंटिंग कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज डबल बॉन्ड इज माय फंक्शनल ग्रुप, आई विल एनी हाउ, वैसे भी मुझे फंक्शन ग्रुप को प्रीफर करना है ना स्टूडेंट्स। आयुपैक नेमिंग में फंक्शनल ग्रुप को हम प्रीफर करते हैं, उसको कम से कम नंबरिंग मिलनी चाहिए। सो देयरफॉर मानव ने क्या किया स्मार्टली, उसने स्टार्ट ही यहीं से किया। ये देखो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज हाउ ही स्टार्टेड, सो दिस इज द चेन ही सिलेक्टेड। उसने कितना कार्बन काउंट किया, 1 2 3 4 इन दिस चेन, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम, ध्यान देना प्लीज, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस कार्बन स्टूडेंट्स, 1 2 3 4. Why? Double bond should get the least possible number. Double bond should get the least possible number. This is the correct pattern of counting. Okay, students? अगर suppose आदित्य बोलता, अगर suppose पलक बोलती, अगर suppose दृष्टि बोलती, if in case रसिका, if in case वारी सोलंकी, if in case रमीज, if in case रेबेका, if in case प्रशांत, अगर ये सब लोग बोलते हैं कि सर नहीं 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 सर, मानव has said ki blue box has to be the longest continuous carbon chain, but we also have a suggestion. We would like to say that even this box over here, even the green box can be our longest continuous carbon chain. Can it be the longest continuous carbon chain?
Yes,
Answer
sir.
is yes. Answer is yes. Because even this chain has 4 carbons. Even this chain has 4 carbons. So because carbon numbers are same, therefore I can say even this can be my longest continuous carbon chain. All right, students, is this understood? Please take a screenshot and please write it in your notes also later on after the lecture ends. Make a note of it, make a note of it, and try to not be in hurry. Try to identify the double bond. है ना students? Clear है? Now विवेक के दोनों answers correct थे, बहुत correct थे. ये हमने खाली concept का extension किया है.
Sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, what will be the IUPAC name for this?
Yes, I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that. चलो students, IUPAC ले लें एक बार इसका, IUPAC solve कर लें एक बार. अगर आपको नहीं समझेगा तो you will ask me. Okay students, you will ask me. For IUPAC तो हमेशा मेरी आदत एकदम बेकार वाली आदत है. क्या पता है? मेरी आदत एकदम बेकार है. एकदम बेकार आदत है. क्या करता हूँ पता है मैं IUPAC के लिए? मैं बार-बार सारे steps लिखता हूँ. Is this good habit students? बोलो मुझे, मैं परेशान हो गया उससे. Every time should I start with the basic steps for IUPAC? Should I start every time?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very good. मतलब आपको भी ये आदत, ये बुरी आदत पकड़नी है. Okay, very good. Okay, चलो, let us start with the basics, students. है ना? Let us start with the basics. So first thing that I'll do is I'll mark the longest continuous carbon chain. Step 1, longest continuous carbon chain. Do you all remember? Step 1, longest continuous carbon chain. Longest continuous carbon chain. Step 2. Tell me step 2, students.
Bond.
Circle the branches and put
Shabash,
a box on the
shabash.
functional group.
Shabash. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Circle the branches if there is any. Do I have a branch? This is my branch, students. This is my branch. Entire group will be branch. Never ever write this कि चलो खाली ये मेरा branch है, क्योंकि यही तो attached है main chain से. CS3 थोड़ी attached है, नहीं. They will come as a team. They will come as a team, students. ठीक है? So ये पूरा box, ये पूरे लोग, they are attached by this bond. Correct, students? They are attached by this bond. So this will be considered as a single group. Now, Rebecca, I'm coming to your answer now. Remember alkyl wala question? This is where alkyl will come into picture now. Okay, so alkyl तो हमने mark कर दिया, branch तो मुझे समझ गया. Where is my functional group? Where is my functional group? Where is
the
my
branched chain.
the
The branched, the which you have circled is also the functional.
No, this is never the functional group. Alkyl group is never the functional group. Alkyl can never be the functional group. Which is my functional group over here, students? Come on, this is very obvious. This is very
Double
obvious.
bond.
Yes. Double bond. Double bond is the answer. Double bond is the functional group. Don't you think so, students? Alkene. Alkene is the functional group over here. So this.
Yes,
I'm,
sir.
I'm
Sir, I
sorry.
have a doubt.
Yes, yes, Jigar. Puch.
The functional group and the bonds are different, no? Like functional group will be carboxylic acid, alcohol, and all. How can double bond be a functional group?
Okay, understood. Now, I do not have a distinctive functional group over here. I agree. I do not have a distinctive functional group over here like aldehyde, like ketone, like ether, like ester, like acid. Surely I do not have such functional group like alcohol. But I have this unsaturation character and alkynes. Alkynes, when I compare them, I'll consider triple bond and double bond. I'll prefer them for naming. And I'll consider them as functional group alkene. This is double bond. So I'll have to prefer it. I'll give it the stature of functional group right now because I do not have any functional group. ठीक है? ओके जिगर, तो मुझे और कोई नहीं दिख रहा है इसलिए मैं डबल बॉन्ड को प्रीफर करूंगा. ये मुझे बातें याद रखनी है. जैसे जिगर ने कमेंट किया कि सर COH तो नहीं है, OH तो नहीं है, कीटोन तो नहीं है, एल्डिहाइड तो नहीं है ना? तो जब वो आएंगे तो क्या होगा? तो I'll come to that later on students. IUPAC का नेमिंग सिस्टम हमको सीखना है, बहुत बड़ा सा लिस्ट सीखना है. तो उस लिस्ट को जब अपन पढ़ेंगे तब आपको समझ में आएगा जब पॉलीफंक्शनल ग्रुप्स आर देयर देन हाउ टू गिव IUPAC नेमिंग. चलो वो तो बात की बात है. सो फिलहाल के लिए आई प्रीफर डबल बॉन्ड. स्टेप 3 हो गया मेरा. Sorry, step 2 हो गया, which is my step 3 students. Step 3
Give number to the car.
very good. Give numbering to the carbon. Shabash, well done Suyash.
Nearest to the functional.
Very good. So because I have given this double bond stature of functional group, उसकी जगह पे जाके बिठा दिया है. Should I prefer double bond students? Should I prefer the end from where double bond would be closest, from where double bond would be nearest? Should I start from that end? ये देखो ये मैं कर दूं फटाफट से students. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 करेक्ट है ये? करेक्ट है?
Wrong.
No, sir.
Wrong.
No, sir.
रॉन्ग है. ओ शिट, रॉन्ग हो गया. क्या करेक्ट है फिर?
Sir, you have to reverse it.
Start from the functional group.
अरे बट मुझे फटाफट आंसर चाहिए था. I wanted answer very quickly. So
Sir, you have to.
अच्छा रिवर्स.
So you can start from CH2.
Okay, very good. Okay. I'll start from CH2. नहीं, I was in hurry. मैं थोड़ा घाई में था. आप लोग भी ऐसे कभी-कभी जल्दबाजी करते हो क्या? Tell me students. Let me see if I'm
Yes, sir.
normal.
नहीं sir.
नहीं करता. जिगर नहीं
हाँ
करता.
सर, कभी-कभी.
जिगर
It
नहीं करता.
happens, sir.
It happens involuntarily. By the way, this was voluntary. Okay students. So 1 2 3 4. Step 3 is done. Step 4. Who will tell me step 4?
Name.
Name the alkene.
Count the number of carbons and name the alkane.
Shabash. Count the number of carbons first. While
I
can see Rebecca is replying on audio, and I don't know whether there's some kind of software with Suyash. Same answers are coming on in the chat box. So very well done, Suyash. Exact answers, very perfect answers coming on audio from Rebecca, Jigar, Aditya, and all these people. And I'm getting similar answers from Suyash also in the chat box. Very well done, Suyash. And Ramesh is one step ahead. Ramesh is sending me directly the IUPAC naming. Shabash, Ramesh. Yes, Jigar, go ahead.
Sir, but while numbering the carbon atoms 1 2 3 4 we have counted already. So what is the need to count again?
Understood. But we have to remember the mistake मैं बताता हूँ क्या होगा जिगर. What is the need of recounting it? Mistake is at times we are in the mode of common naming. And then अपन क्या बोलते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 okay 6 carbons, hexene. Understood? Hexene. So that is where we have to remind ourselves कि नहीं wait. I just have, this is IUPAC. So I just have to count the carbons which are present in the yellow box. So first let me write with pencil. Name of butene.
We have already labeled the yellow box and we are counting that carbon atoms only.
Okay, ठीक है. Sorry, Jigar. Sorry, I'll not count it again. ठीक है, चल. But 1 in done. But 1 dash in students. I'll write 1 also. ठीक है, I don't have to worry about this one. I have enough ink in my okay, I'm using finger right now because, but you can use pen. So in your pen you have enough ink to write that one. Very important to write that one. Many students will ask me immediately in the chat box, is this correct, sir? Is this correct? Can I write this? Will this be correct? Answer is yes, this is correct. But thing is about habit, that bad habit of writing everything and making myself habitual to write number, to give address of double bond. I'm making myself habitual to this, to write the address of double bond. Okay students, and more importantly I'll use the same color code. ये देखो मैंने mistake कर दिया ना, same color code use करूंगा, 2 which is wrong, sorry. I'll write 1 over here. ये देखो students, so जिस color से number लिखा उसी color से मैं 1 भी लिखूंगा जानबूझ के, ठीक है। चलो ये हो गया। नाउ टेल मी अबाउट द ब्रांच स्टूडेंट्स, टेल मी अबाउट द ब्रांच। ब्रांच का नाम क्या है? ब्रांच का नाम क्या है? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द ब्रांच? Ethyl is right answer. Ethyl is right answer. Ethyl, because there are two carbons. There are two carbons. Two carbons का alkane कौन सा होता है? Ethane. Ethane. But do I have 6 hydrogens? No. I have just 5. I've removed 1 hydrogen. So ethane बन जाएगा ethyl. क्या बन जाएगा? Ethyl. Are you getting this students? Are you getting this? Please बताओ मुझे. समझ में?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. पेंसिल से ऐसे लिख देने का ethyl, ठीक है? पेंसिल से पहले लिख देने का ethyl. And ethyl का एड्रेस क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? थर्ड कार्बन पे बैठा है, चेक करो.
2 ethyl.
ethyl.
नहीं सर,
सेकंड पे बैठा है, थर्ड पे.
second पे sir you have numbered it earlier also, no?
अरे 1 2 3, अरे हाँ मैंने नंबर कर दिया है. So I should use the same number?
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Chalo, let us use the same number. So it would be 2 ethyl students. The name would be 2 ethyl but 1-ene. I have to remove this B. It should be small letter students. Ye check karo, only one capital letter is allowed. That is the first letter of the IUPAC. Rest everything should be small. There should be no gap between ethyl and but ka B. Ethyl ka L and but ka B. There should be no gap in between them. This should go as straight as possible. And this is your answer, students.
Sir, I have one doubt.
हाँ जी, कुछ.
Sir, can I draw the structure?
हाँ, एक मिनट. I'll clear this section.
I will remove the butene.
हाँ, चल, draw कर. Just put the double bond, Jigar. I'll put the hydrogens. Where do you need the double bond? Okay. Rest everyone. Okay, very good. Shabash. So I have 2 double bonds. है ना? I have 2 double bonds. Okay, understood. And okay, ठीक है. Just let me know if I have drawn this correctly. ठीक है? So Jigar has given us one problem, students. I mean, one question, I should say, not a problem. So this is C, right, Jigar? Correct? Then I have C over here. I'll be having C over here at the top, है ना?
Sir, एक और C over here.
हाँ. इधर भी आता हूँ मैं. एक मिनट. So I'll draw a C over here also, and below also you need any carbon, or that's it?
बस here only. This one.
Okay, that's it. ठीक है. Let me balance this with hydrogens also, students. So CH3, CH2, CH2. Then I have CH2 over here, CH3 over here, then CH over here, and CH3 over here. Correct है?
Wrong,
Check
sir.
कर लो. Wrong है?
Wrong, sir.
Last one, sir.
CH2
That
होना
would,
चाहिए.
हाँ.
CH2 होना चाहिए. क्यों CH2 होना चाहिए? ऐसा क्या कर
Because
दिया?
there are 2 bonds.
Sir, double bond.
Very good. अब correct है? Now everything is correct?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, जिगर पक्का correct है जिगर? देख ले एक बार. Last मौका दे रहा हूँ.
No, sir.
Correct नहीं है, sir.
Correct नहीं है.
Sir,
H नहीं.
हाँ.
Very good. There should be only one C. There should be no H, because अदरवाइज कार्बन ने चमत्कार कर दिया, पेंटावेलेंट बन गया टेट्रावेलेंट के बदले, है ना. चलो, now the structure is understood. Okay, shabash. This is good doubt. What he has done is he has increased the number of double bonds. He has increased the number of double. I'm so happy that हम इंट्रोडक्शन ले रहे हैं हाइड्रोकार्बन्स का, बट साथ साथ में आयुपैक भी चलते चल रहे हैं, साथ साथ में आयुपैक भी चल रहे
Sir,
हैं.
you do this also.
Which one, जिगर? अच्छा, ये भी डबल बॉन्ड कर दूं?
Sir.
ओके ओके, चल चल चल, इसको भी डबल बॉन्ड कर देते हैं. ओके, इसको भी डबल बॉन्ड कर देते हैं. Let me write this also in the form of double bond. So I'll write over here in this pattern double bond. All right.
Sir, now
Okay, now it is perfect. ठीक है, चल, now it is perfect. Okay, students. So now there are 2-3 concepts involved over here. There are 2-3 concepts. Other students might have not learned this. We have the concept of allyl and vinyl. There is reason why I won't be able to solve this question right now. जिगर, I request you to please note this down. Structure note down कर ले. मैं तुझे जरूर याद दिलाऊंगा, कब तू मुझे वापस से ये स्ट्रक्चर याद दिलाएगा, फिर हम ये सॉल्व करेंगे. अभी के लिए आई विल सॉल्व इट, बट मे बी कुछ लोगों को ये नहीं समझेगा क्योंकि आपको ये कंसेप्ट मैंने अब तक सिखाया नहीं है. बट लेट अस नॉट वेस्ट द टाइम व्हिच वी हैव इन्वेस्टेड. तो फटाफट से मैं अगर एक बार इसको अटेम्प्ट करना चाहूँ स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस इज हाउ आई विल अटेम्प्ट इट. आई विल ट्राई टू मेक श्योर कि मैं मैक्सिमम कार्बन्स कवर करूं. I will try to cover the maximum number of double bonds also. ठीक है, maximum number of double bonds also. So this is how I'll start. ऐसा कुछ मैं लिख जाऊंगा students. ऐसा कुछ I can take. And this part over here, yes, बहुत सारे possible features हैं. बहुत सारे possible features. ये देखो. सुनो पहले बात.
from wrong.
पहले बात. अच्छा. Okay. चल, जिगर बता कौन सा. What do you suggest, जिगर?
One which you have marked will become pentene, but
Correct.
this will become
Correct. Okay. Now there is reason why I have preferred this. ठीक है. If in case I take this carbon, जिगर, अगर अपन जिगर का बात मान लेते हैं, and if I go with this carbon chain, ये देखो ये वाला, he is not wrong if he is suggesting कि I have larger number of carbons over here. How many carbons do I have? 6 carbons over here. Red box में तो 5 ही कार्बन है ना, यहाँ पे 6 कार्बन्स हैं. तो मुझे डबल बॉन्ड CH2 का नाम कैसे दूंगा? डबल बॉन्ड CH2 के लिए मेरे पास तो है नहीं कुछ, है ना. एंड इफ आई हैव, अगर मैं, यही मैंने आपको बताया कि हमने अब तक ये कंसेप्ट पढ़ा नहीं है. जब मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगा तब ये स्ट्रक्चर आप ड्रॉ कर पाओगे, एंड तब आप मुझे अपन रेड वाले बॉक्स के लिए जस्टिफिकेशन दे पाएंगे. देयर आर 2 कांसेप्ट्स ओवर हियर. इफ इन केस आपने ये सुना होगा स्टूडेंट्स, आई डोंट नो कितने लोगों ने, जिसने सुना है रेज योर हैंड. ठीक है. विनाइल अलाइल. How many of you have heard about this? Vinyl allyl. ठीक है. So इसके बारे में अपने को जानना बाकी है. जब अपन ये समझ लेंगे, then I can name this compound. फिलहाल के लिए नहीं. We cannot name it. And why I will not name it? Because बाकी लोगों को नहीं पता है इसके बारे में. So let us not confuse them. Okay. This structure is very much valid. You can note this down and we will solve it later on, surely. Okay, Jigar? ठीक है. I'm deleting this. If you want, you can take a screenshot.
Okay, sir.
We will go through it once we have done vinyl allyl. मजा आएगा उसमें. Vinyl allyl. अच्छा, बता दो पहले vinyl allyl क्या होता है. This is vinyl, students. This is vinyl group. Okay. And this over here is allyl. Vinyl allyl. ये देखो. The green one is allyl, just for your knowledge. And the red one is vinyl. Later on we will use them. अभी के लिए I will not discuss on this right now. हाँ जिगर, बोल.
There is not red one the ethene and green one the propene.
Yes. But let us focus over here. ये देख जिगर, यहाँ focus करते हैं. YL. It indicates कि I am speaking in the terms of common name. Common name के बारे में बातें कर रहा हूँ, है ना. Common name के term में बातें करने चाह रहा हूँ मैं. And I'm going to view this as my branches. अगर आप तुमने स्क्रीनशॉट लिया होगा ना लास्ट स्क्रीन का, तो एक बार जाके चेक कर ले. अलाइल अप्लाई होता है उस पे. अलाइल.
सर मैंने ट्राई कर दिया मेरे पेज पे, लेकिन समझ में नहीं.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं. अपन जब ये वाला कंसेप्ट पढ़ेंगे तब अपन पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है जिगर. चलो फटाफट से भाग के आ जाते हैं वापस, रिटर्न अपने वाले पे भाग के आ जाते हैं. चलो स्टूडेंट्स, should I delete everything? Should we go ahead? चलो फटाफट से आपको एक
Sir.
एग्जांपल दे दूं. हाँ, पूछो पूछो पूछो. Please ask me.
Sir, in the structure that you drew before, that was the ethyl butane one. Sir, in that you have used the suffix as YL. So, sir, but we use YL only for common naming, na?
Correct. I agree. Very good question, Rebecca. I agree
But
with that.
sir,
But yes.
but sir,
Why do I
you have
use it?
used it for IUPAC naming.
Okay, okay. Let me justify for that. Now, students, what she is asking exactly is, okay, Shreya Sawant ने मुझे पूछा है But 1 in कैसे आया, ठीक है? Lavanya Patil, which point you were not understanding? I just saw your message.
The previous one which you were explaining.
Vinyl and allyl वाला.
Yes, sir. Yes.
अच्छा, don't worry. भूल जाओ उसको. ऐसा कुछ हमने आज बात ही नहीं
Okay,
किया.
okay, sir.
ऐसा कुछ तूने कहाँ सुन लिया? ऐसा कुछ विनाइल अलाइल कहाँ सुना ये?
अभी
ऐसे तो
सुना.
ऐसे तो मैंने कोई बात ही नहीं की आज. ठीक है, ओके, उसको भूल जाना. जैसे ऐसे जैसे कुछ हुआ ही ना हो, ऐसे सोच लो उसको. ओके, वी विल कम टू दैट. ठीक है लावण्य, डोंट वरी. आई विल कम टू दैट व्हेन आई विल गो इनटू अल्कीन. जिगर थोड़ा सा उसकी ट्रेन आगे आगे भाग रही, तो उसको एक्साइटमेंट है. सो ही इज सेंडिंग अस दीस क्वेश्चंस. He is very much excited and he is good with it. So I just explained him, and also we justified ki why we are not yet ready for that, students. You are not yet ready because even Jigar and even you people have no idea about allyl and vinyl. So once we do allyl and vinyl, then we'll come back to the same structure. Okay. Till then, let us justify. ये श्रेया सावंत का भी क्वेश्चन है एंड रेबेका ने भी मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछा है. So first I'll justify Shreya Sawant. Shreya, if you can see, this is my numbering pattern. है ना Shreya? And this was my longest continuous carbon chain. Can you hear me, Shreya? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
So this becomes but 1 in. Do you agree? But 1 in.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so but 1 in. Why but? Because I have 4 carbons, and you always have to designate just one carbon number to double bond. आपको कभी भी ऐसा नहीं बोलना है श्रेया कि double bond between 1 and 2 है. So 1,2 in. This is wrong. ठीक है, डबल बॉन्ड का सिर्फ एक ही कार्बन नंबर हमको देना होता है. We just have to mention only one carbon, that to the lower number. So double bond, if it is between 1 and 2, I will write just 1. If it is between 2 and 3, I will write just 2. If it is between 4 and 5, I will write just 5. If it is between 5 and 6, I will write only 6. Correct?
No, sir.
No?
Sir, 5 लिखेंगे ना.
Only 5. Yes, right. शाबाश. मुझे लगा कि तू या फ्लो में रहेगी, yes बोल देगी. ओके, ठीक है, चल आगे चलते हैं. ओके, तो अभी रेबेका का डाउट पे आते हैं. रेबेका ने क्या पूछा मुझे? शी हैज आस्क्ड मी, सर ये जो CH2 CH3 है, यू हैव रिटन द नेम इन दिस पैटर्न. सर आपने ऐसे मुझे क्यों बताया? 2- ethyl. This is what I had written, students. 2-ethyl but 2-ethyl but 1 in. 2-ethyl but 1 in. This was our name, and Rebecca has this issue. She is saying ki how can I use this term ethyl? How can I use the term alkyl in IUPAC name? This is IUPAC name, I agree. This is IUPAC name, I agree. But Rebecca, reason is, why am I using ethyl? If you see, I'm using this alkyl ka naming system only for the branch. Only for the branch. And for branch, you have to use it. Okay, branches in the IUPAC naming have to be referred as alkyl. They have to be referred as alkyl. Okay, always remember. जितने भी branches हैं students, हमको methyl, you don't say methyl, we say methyl. 2-methyl butane 2-ol, ऐसा कुछ है ना. 1,2 dimethyl. So similarly, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl, heptyl, octyl, nonyl, decyl. ऐसे. So जब branches रहेंगे, branches को आपको alkyl ही बोलना है, alkyl के pattern में ही बोलना है. And the main chain should always be the pattern of alkane.
Sir, will a comma come between it?
Sorry.
Sir, will a comma come between methyl and butyl?
No, comma will only come between 2 numbers. ठीक है? Okay.
Sir, methyl, we don't have to write E at the last.
तू बीच पे जाके बैठा है, तेरी पीछे से बहुत आवाजें आ रही, वो पानी का वेव्स की आवाजें आ रही पीछे से.
नहीं सर.
हाँ, पूछ. क्या पूछ रहा है?
बोल रहा था कि जो ये नहीं पर लेकिन मिथाइल का जो स्पेलिंग रहता है उसमें मिथाइल में सिर्फ L लिखने का या LE लिखने का?
नहीं, सिर्फ L, you will stop at L.
Sir, because I make common mistakes writing E and I get wrong in exam.
Okay, नहीं, E you should never write. Ethyl ends at L, that's it. Ethyl, methyl, propyl, जो भी L रहेगा, it will end at L. चलो students, should we go ahead? Everyone, कोई बोर तो नहीं हो रहा है कि क्या यार, क्या बातें हो रही है?
Yes.
Yes.
देखो, yes, who said yes?
Yes.
She's getting bored. Manasvi, you said yes for getting bored or yes for going ahead? Manasvi.
Ahead.
Acha, going ahead. Okay, very good. Acha, what about other students? All of you are with me? Palak,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
facing lots of network issues. Lavanya Patil is there with us. Vari is also there. Vari Solanki, not very audible, not very active today. Vari Solanki.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा आवाजें नहीं आ रही तेरी लेक्चर में, so you have to be more active, वारी सोलंकी, ठीक है? Be more interactive. चलो students, let us move towards this side. Straight and branch तो we know, straight and branch we know very well. Let us move to this side now. Cyclic का we have two sides again, saturated, unsaturated, ठीक है? At the end students, don't worry, end में मैं आपको सारे हर एक नाम का एक एग्जांपल दे दूंगा. पहले let me explain, ठीक है? फिर सबका एक एग्जांपल दूंगा और अपन आगे बढ़ जाएंगे. So cyclic में I have two varieties again, saturated, unsaturated. Saturated, unsaturated, ठीक है स्टूडेंट? सैचुरेटेड की पहले बात कर लेता हूं मैं. ये देखो, सैचुरेटेड मतलब क्या होगा? ये इस तरह से होगा, CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2, है ना? And then I will have CH2 and this. Is this clear? Please tell me. Is this understood? जल्दी से बताओ स्टूडेंट्स. साइक्लिक है ये? पक्का साइक्लिक है?
हाँ सर, cyclic.
Yes, sir. Yes.
साइक्लिक है. Okay. Unsaturated, is it unsaturated or saturated?
Yes, unsaturated.
Unsaturated. Is it technically correct structure?
Yes, sir.
No.
No,
No, sir, it's not technically correct.
It is not.
Sir, it should be CH at the top.
हाँ, yes students, ये देखो, I will have to either remove these two H, है ना? So now it will be balanced.
Yes, sir.
Correct
It's
students?
balanced now. Yes.
हाँ, or else if I'm putting CH2, अगर मैं CH2 लिख ही रहा हूँ, so I cannot write double bond. I cannot write double bond then. So this is also how I can go ahead with it. ये देखो students, ये देखो. Is this clear now? Is it technically correct now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, शाबाश. So now tell me, which one
Yes,
is
sir.
saturated, which one is unsaturated? Which one is?
Upper one is unsaturated.
Very good. Upper one
Lower
is
one is
upper one is saturated. Let me write on the screen also. Upper one is saturated.
unsaturated.
Unsaturated. Okay, unsaturated. The upper one is unsaturated. Upper one is unsaturated, and the lower one is saturated.
Saturated.
Now
Saturated.
I'm correct, है ना? Now I'm. इतना सारा मिस्टेक मैं एक ही लेक्चर में कर देता हूँ. देखो, इतने सारे मिस्टेक्स एक ही लेक्चर में हो जाता है. Okay, चलो. Saturated, unsaturated done students. Saturated, unsaturated done. Cyclic
Yes,
also
sir.
मुझे समझ में आ गया.
Yes.
Cyclic भी समझ में आ गया, है ना? साइक्लिक का सारा नाम तो अभी नहीं सिखाऊंगा आपको, सारे नेमिंग तो अभी आप नहीं सीख पाओगे. It is quite a vast topic, but I can help you with simple names. Simple names I can help you. Please take a screenshot first. Please take a screenshot, students. चलो, now I'll teach you how to give simple naming. ठीक है students? Complicated naming अभी नहीं करेंगे. Okay? Simple naming अभी कर लेंगे. Simple वाला naming अभी कर लेंगे. तो कौन सा simple naming है? ये चेक कर लो पहले. ये चेक कर लो, बताना मुझे आपको समझ में आया कि नहीं समझ में आया. ठीक है? साइक्लोब्यूटीन, प्लीज चेक. Cyclobutene. I've not done any kind of mistake over here. This is correct name, but try to understand if you have got this name now. आपको समझ में आया नाम? Cyclobutene क्यों आया इसका नाम?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
Very good, very good. Shabash. Shabash. You can also write cyclobutane. That is also correct. ठीक है students? Okay. Shabash मानव गांधी. Very good. Now the lower one. अब मुझे help करो, नीचे वाले के नाम के साथ help करो students.
Cyclobutane.
Cyclobutane.
Cyclobutane. That is superb. Cyclobutane. आवाज ऊपर जानी चाहिए. Cyclobutane. है ना students? Is this understood? बहुत
Sir.
बहुत simple.
Yes,
देखो,
sir.
बहुत. So you can write example. Cyclobutane example कहाँ लिखो students? यहाँ पे लिख दोगे, ठीक है? यहाँ पे लिख दोगे cyclobutane. And cyclobutane किस example है? ये रहा इसका example, या फिर और नीचे आ जाओ, इसका example. ये देखो, इसका, ये वाले का, ठीक है? इसका example है. Okay students. Aromatic का example क्या है? Unsaturated में again we have two varieties students. Unsaturated में again we have two varieties. Which are those? चलो screenshot ले लिया इसका. Screenshot ले लिया students. Done with screenshot. Done with screenshot.
Yes.
अच्छा. Okay. I've got question from Soumya Gala. She's asking कि I'm so sorry students. I'm so sorry कि मैं chat box regularly आपका नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ. I request all of you कि अगर आपका कोई भी question मुझसे miss हो रहा है तो please keep on asking on audio also, ठीक है? Because Shreya Sawant, I just missed your question. जो ऊपर पूछा गया था, what if CH4 होता? CH4. तो I'm not understanding कि ये कहाँ पूछा था, श्रेया?
सर इसके पहले वाला जो स्ट्रक्चर था ना उसमें पूछा.
तो समझ में आया, वो डाउट क्लियर हुआ?
जो ब्रांच ग्रुप था ना.
Okay,
हाँ,
good.
फिर बाद में समझा.
ठीक है.
But CH4 can't come in any branch.
Yes. Correct. It has to be CH3 always. Cannot be CH4. Pentavalent. चमत्कार. याद है? चमत्कार हो जाएगा. चमत्कार अपन नहीं करते. Okay. सौम्या गाला ने पूछा है, sir, in this numbering will not come because it is cyclic. No, Soumya, it is not like that. Numbering will come. Numbering will come. But if you notice, I've given you very simple structures. As I said, कि cyclic में भी there are complicated structures which can which can take you to hell. Okay, there are very complicated structures in cyclic also. But we are not doing them right now. I'm just trying to incorporate this cyclic का concept into your brain. Therefore, I'm taking just simple structures. तो numbering यहाँ भी आ सकता है, क्यों नहीं आएगा? जरूर आएगा. Okay, which is the function? हाँ, यहाँ बोल. एक मिनट जिगर, एक मिनट. लावण्या पाटिल has asked me, sir, which is the function group? Right now तो अपन खाली अल्कीन को ही देख रहे हैं. अल्कीन को, डबल बॉन्ड को we will prefer, लावण्या. ठीक है लावण्या? डबल बॉन्ड को we will prefer. If it is not there, then you don't have to worry. Because नीचे वाले में साइक्लोब्यूटेन में there won't be any numbering. Why? कुछ है ही नहीं. इंडिकेट करना ही नहीं मुझे कुछ. सब लाइन से अपने खड़े हैं, जहीं से भी आप चालू कर दो. नंबरिंग करने की जरूरत ही नहीं, because there is no branch, there is no functional group, है ना? Yes. Any other questions, students? विवेक ने पूछा है. अच्छा, very good. Yes, I'll come to that example, Vivek. Example पे आता हूँ मैं. He has already sent me the example for aromatic compounds. Okay, जिगर अभी तेरा question पूछ.
Sir, I am not. Sir, what if these two gets cancelled and here it is?
I'm so sorry. Wait. I'll redraw this structure. CH double bond CH, CH2 single bond CH2. हाँ, चल, go ahead. Your audio. Okay. हाँ, क्या बात है? Okay. Understood. CH3. I understood. Okay. Switch on your audio, Jigar.
Sir.
What is your question?
Sir, can you also become open chain na that upper one?
हाँ, एक मिनट है, just a second. So this is what you want, right, Jigar? ये वाला चाहिए अपने को, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. So ऐसे केस में जिगर, you will start numbering from this chain first of all. Always ये देखो, आप students आप ही सोच के बताना. And I am very sure about this. कि आपको right answers आएंगे. Chat box में आंसर देना. एक मिनट जिगर, रुक जा. ये बहुत मजेदार है. जिगर, ये बहुत मजेदार है. मजा आने वाला है. So सबके सब मुझे chat box में आंसर भेजोगे. You just have to tell me which of the numbering patterns is correct. Okay, which of the two numbering patterns are which of the two numbering patterns is correct one. Okay, so this is my first pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is my second pattern over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll follow one more. So answer me in the chat box, students. Answer me in the chat box. Next one is yellow one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है, I have one more. कोई और कलर मेरे पास बचा है क्या? पहली बात नहीं, कलर ही नहीं बचे मेरे पास. ठीक है, अभी के लिए ये 3 ले लेते हैं. चलो, so इन तीनों में से कौन सा पैटर्न इज द करेक्ट वन? ठीक है, I want your answers in the chat box, students. I want your answers in the chat box. Jigar has already sent me his answer. You have to give me only one of them is correct, by the way. Only one of them is correct. So you cannot have two answers, Jigar. You cannot have two answers. Only one
the
of them is
second one, sir, the first one, second one is correct.
okay. Second one, ठीक है. Shreya Sawant, tell me the color. Tell me the color. I want to realize the second pattern. मुझे नहीं समझ में आएगा, श्रेया. Lavanya Patil, okay. Lavanya Patil, ठीक है students. Now I'll start. Okay. मैं आपको करेक्ट क्या है वो बताना शुरू कर दूंगा, ठीक है? जिसके नाम लूंगा उनके आंसर्स करेक्ट है. जिसके नाम लूंगा उनके आंसर्स.
Sir, wait.
हाँ,
Sir, 1 minute.
बता.
Sir, my answer is this.
ओके, क्या बात है. देर आए दुरुस्त आए. जल्दी आ गए थे, फिर लौट गए, फिर आ गए. Okay, your answer is correct, by the way. So Jigar Gada has given correct answer. Lavanya Patil, your answer is wrong. Soumya Gala, answer is absolutely perfect. Aditya Gowda, answer is wrong. Lavanya Patil, your answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. Rebecca, answer is wrong. Jigar, your second answer was wrong. Prashant, your answer is correct. Ramiz, your answer is correct. Prashant, very good. Prashant, very good. Answer बहुत properly दिया है. Shreya Sawant, answer is correct. Rami's answer was correct. Manav Gandhi, your answer is correct. Drasika, answer is wrong. Manaswi, answer is wrong. ठीक है, चलो एक एक करके जस्टिफाई करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. एक एक करके जस्टिफाई करते हैं कि आंसर क्यों करेक्ट है. ठीक है, मानव, कैन यू प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर ऑडियो? पलक, कैन यू हियर मी नाउ? पलक,
Yes, sir.
okay, very good. So what is your answer for this one?
I have one justification.
एक मिनट, जिगर, I'll come to you. Yes, Falak, Nisar, others please answer me. Priya, what about you? Priya, कहाँ गायब हो गई? आवाज ही नहीं आ रही, मैसेज भी नहीं आ रहा है. प्रिया, बायो सुनने के बाद सो गई है क्या? Are you there with us? हाँ सर. हाँ सर, सो गई हूँ. नहीं सर, मैं नहीं जाग रही हूँ. हाँ सर, सो गई हूँ तो क्या? Okay, she's replying कि नहीं sir, I'm over here only. Okay, Priya. Okay, so are you understanding everything, Priya? Audio पे tell me.
हाँ सर, समझ आ रहा.
हाँ, शाबाश. तो कुछ डाउट है तो पूछते रहना है बीच में, ठीक है?
हाँ सर.
Okay, Vari Solanki, what about you? Vari Solanki. हाँ, समझ में आ रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, students, you have to answer. देखो, अगर आप आंसर नहीं करोगे ना तो आप इन्वॉल्व नहीं रहोगे ना तो ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री आपको छोड़ देगा. कोई भी सब्जेक्ट आपको छोड़ देगा, ठीक है? Okay, in every relation you have to be involved. It has to be a two-way traffic. So if you want to maintain a good relationship with organic chemistry or with physics or with bio or with math, you have to give it a huge amount of attention. Okay, trust me, you have just now passed out from class 10, and this is the correct time you should understand about relationships. Okay, so physics, chemistry, and bio and maths will teach you that. Give proper attention to your concepts. They will reply back to you in a very nice manner. They are very polite. Okay, चलो एक एक करके जस्टिफिकेशन ले लेते हैं, है ना आदित्य गौड़ा? अपन जिगर के पास भी आएंगे. हाँ, एक मिनट जिगर. Blue is correct because okay.
सर.
हाँ, बोलो.
सर, आपका आवाज बहुत धीरे आ रहा है.
Now can you hear me, Palak?
Yes, sir. हाँ.
Okay, ठीक है. I'll keep the volume at this level only. ठीक है?
हाँ.
चलो students, so अभी next कौन मुझे Ramiz, I hope you can hear me now. Ramiz.
Yes.
Okay, I'm at Borivali right now, students, Borivali branch. So I think because of this distance issue, अंधेरी तक आवाज जा नहीं पा रही. जैसे से हवाएं जा रही है, मेरी आवाजों को लेकर जा रही है. But कहीं आवाज पूरी नहीं पहुंच पा रही. So I'm so sorry for that. Okay, चलो let us start with justification. Jigar will start first. Jigar, किसी भी एक pattern का justification you can tell me. First you have to give me why any of these three patterns is wrong. कोई भी एक wrong pattern के बारे में justification दे दे मुझे जिगर. कोई भी एक wrong pattern के बारे में justification.
सर एक सिंपल जस्टिफिकेशन है तीनों के लिए. सर there cannot be a double bond between first and last because there will be a numbering issue. So between 1 and 2 we can keep a double bond.
Shabash. 1 and 2 should be a double bond. First of all, that is very correctly justified. Always 1 and 2. 1 and 2. You have to always give
That's why according to the numbering.
Correct. So double bond, जो doubly bonded carbons, the carbons which are bound by double bond should be getting the first two counts. So according to this, yellow count is gone. Yellow pattern is completely eliminated. Am I understood, students? किसने yellow answer दिया था? Have you understood why yellow is wrong? Why yellow is wrong? Did you understand why yellow is wrong, students? Because yellow में counting check करो. 1 and 4 आ रहा है, impossible है ना? 1 and 4 है नहीं. Double bond वाले carbons को 1 and 2 ही देना पड़ेगा आपको. So yellow is wrong. Let me delete the yellow pattern first. Yellow pattern I'll delete, students. ठीक है? Yellow pattern I'll delete. चलो, let us go to green and blue pattern now. Green and blue pattern now. Green and blue pattern. I'll allow Aditya now. Next Aditya. Aditya. Yes, Aditya. Sir. चलो बताओ. Why green one is wrong? By the way, answer is blue. ठीक है? Why green one is wrong, Aditya?
Sir, green one, sir. I also have no justification for, sir. I had given the answer green, sir.
That is why I asked you. That is why I asked you. Okay, Jigar, ठीक है. Jigar, go ahead.
Sir, because the branch is on the last carbon atom in the green, whereas in the blue one it is on the third.
Okay, so always preference according to IUPAC naming system, students. According to IUPAC naming system, our branch should get the least possible count. Our branch should get the least possible count. How many of you agree with this? Raise your hand. How many of you agree with this? Raise your hand, students. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. How many of you agree with this? Correct. So therefore, yes. Go ahead.
Sir, can you explain it, sir?
हाँ बोलो आदित्य.
I told sir, can you explain it once again, sir?
अच्छा. I'm so sorry. I'll explain it again. So according to IUPAC naming system, Aditya, according to IUPAC naming system, our branch should always get the least possible count. In this compound, this is my branch. Correct, Aditya?
Yes,
this
sir.
is my branch, the yellow one. This is my branch. So
Yes,
this
sir.
should get the least possible number. If I follow the green pattern, Aditya, 1, 2, 3, 4, branch is coming on 4th carbon. If I follow blue pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, branch is coming on the 3rd carbon. So which is lower number, 4 or 3?
3, sir.
3. So that should be the correct pattern. Therefore,
In
the
the
correct answer.
Sir, in the yellow one, it was on the second. That's why I wrote yellow first, and then I changed to blue because.
Okay, understood.
And
that is why I had given the yellow pattern, just to trap you with the counting pattern. Okay, chalo students. I hope this concept is clear with all of you. Please raise your hand and let me know that you have understood. If you still have any doubt, you have all the license to switch on your audio and ask me. If you still have any doubt, you have all the license to switch on your audio and ask me the question. Okay, students. Chalo, understood? All right. Chalo, all right, students. Now I'll be going with the examples. Okay, students, I'll be giving you a few examples now so that for every class we'll have one example. आप अपने पोस्टर पे लिख पाओगे, आपके होमवर्क में लिख पाओगे, students.
Sir, वो डायग्राम का बोलो.
डायग्राम का IUPAC नेम कौन सा डायग्राम का?
अभी जो बता.
अच्छा. Okay. Wait. So I'll redraw the structure and I'll tell you the IUPAC also. Okay. CH double bond CH, CH, CH2, and CH3 going by the numbering pattern 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is known as cyclobutene 3-methyl.
Cyclobutene.
3-methyl, very good. 3-methyl cyclobutene. 3-methyl cyclobutene. This is the name. 3-methyl cyclobutene.
Sir, I have one more doubt.
हाँ पूछ.
Sir, diagram है.
हाँ नीचे बना. Your writing is improving
Sir.
on the screen, ना जिगर? हाँ पूछो.
सर वो ऊपर वाले
सर,
में ब्यूटेन 1 इन नहीं लिख सकते?
ब्यूटेन फिर नहीं श्रेया, फिर ब्यूट पे रुक जा. BUT पे रुक जाना है, then 1 then in, वो भी करेक्ट होगा. ब्यूटेन लिख के फिर you cannot write in, है ना श्रेया?
नहीं
understood?
सर, आपने बोला वैसे ही बोल रही थी.
अच्छा नहीं करेक्ट है. ब्यूट BUT के बाद डैश 1 डैश इन ऐसे आएगा. ठीक है श्रेया?
ओके सर.
ओके यस जिगर.
Sir, I can't annotate. Allow to annotate.
अच्छा wait.
अरे
I have already allowed you, जिगर. अलाउ किया है मैंने.
अभी कर सकता हूँ.
ओके 1 2 3. अरे बाप रे, रुक जा. अभी ये नहीं करेंगे. दिस इज फ्यूज्ड रिंग जिगर.
हाँ सर.
दिस इज फ्यूज्ड रिंग स्ट्रक्चर. अभी ये नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है? अभी ये नहीं सॉल्व करेंगे. दिस विल बी डन लेटर ऑन श्योर. ऑलराइट, आई विल नॉट बी टचिंग दिस राइट नाउ. दिस इज फ्यूज्ड रिंग. यू नो अबाउट नैफ्थलीन देखा है? नैफ्थलीन रिंग जिगर. नैफ्थलीन ये देख यू वर गोइंग समवेयर ओवर हियर. ऐसा कुछ स्ट्रक्चर में तू जा रहा था. ये देख ऐसे सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स में यू वर गोइंग. समझा? तो these are all fused ring. अपन ये बाद में करेंगे, अभी नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है? Okay, totally different naming system, and this naming system is not there in 10+2. आप लोगों के लिए ये है ही नहीं. ये आएगा आपको ग्रेजुएशन में if in case you take up chemistry. Okay, चलो स्टूडेंट्स. हाँ बोल जिगर बोल.
सिर्फ वो डायग्राम का नाम बोल दो क्या?
नहीं मैं अभी इसका नेमिंग नहीं करूंगा. उसका कोई कॉमन नेम नहीं है, ऐसा कोई वन वर्ड नेम नहीं है. जैसे अपन नैफ्थलीन लेते हैं, इसका पूरा का पूरा नेमिंग करना पड़ेगा जिगर. ठीक है? जैसे नैफ्थलीन है, बेंजीन है, वैसे नहीं अभी इसको नहीं सॉल्व करेंगे जिगर. हमको वो स्पाइरल नेमिंग सीखना पड़ेगा, जहाँ पे कॉमन साइड को A and B बोलते हैं, एंड देन उसको ऐसे घुमा के पूरा नेमिंग देंगे. तो अभी नहीं करेंगे वो. जबरदस्ती कैसा है कि बाकी बच्चे कंफ्यूज होंगे, तो अभी मैं वो टच नहीं करूंगा. अपन वो करेंगे, but that too only 1 or 2 structures you will handle, and that too at the end of aromatic compound. Aromatic compound के भी end में, and वो भी देखा जाएगा whether we are somewhere in the vicinity to touch these structures. Now what I'll do, students, is I'll start giving you single structure for every single name. Single structure for every single name. Okay. I've got messages from Lavanya. I've got messages from Shreya. Okay, very good. चलो आगे चलते हैं. क्या आगे चलते हैं? हाँ जिगर बोल.
You will give structure for single name. So when you will give structure, do we have to tell the IUPAC name also?
एक बार पहले स्ट्रक्चर में बना देता हूँ. मैं खुद पहले IUPAC दूंगा एक. ठीक है? Or else you people can start giving the IUPAC. चलो, let us do.
Sir, you can also do like a test, small test.
नहीं, sure. क्या करते हैं? I'll draw the structure and I'll tell you to which category it belongs, and then you can go ahead with the IUPAC. Okay, students? चलो. So first one मैं example दे रहा हूँ इसका. ठीक है, students? This one. So what you can do is you can keep on taking screenshots. ठीक है? आपको कुछ भी लिखना नहीं है अभी, students. Don't write anything. Just look at the screen and try to name it in the chat box. Send me the name in the chat box. ठीक है? So this is first structure. CH3, CH2, 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 and CH3. Give me IUPAC. Common name nahi. Give me IUPAC. Everybody in the chat box, give me IUPAC. Shabash Jigar, answer aa gaya hai. Answer is correct. Soumya Gala, your answer is correct. Ramesh Sheikh, answer is correct. Aditya Gowda, answer is correct. Okay, Palak. Okay. Lavanya Patil. No. It is not a branch chain. Lavanya, it is not a branch chain. ध्यान से देखना है, straight chain है ये. So 1-methyl won't come. Rebecca Dias, your answer is correct. Shreya Sawant, answer is wrong. Shreya Sawant, it is not a branch chain. It is a straight, complete chain. Shreya. Priya, your answer is correct. Palak, your answer is correct. ये देखो students, बहुत लोगों ने मुझे आंसर दिया 1-methyl butane. That is wrong. This is complete chain. Now count the number of carbons. ठीक है? So the answer has to be very good. वारी सोलंकी, शाबाश. बहुत सालों बाद मुझे मैसेज आया है. I'm so happy. Your answer is correct. Lavanya Patil, your answer is correct. Now Prashant, your answer is correct. Shreya Sawant, your answer is correct. Very good. Okay, so I'll write down the answer also, students. You can take a screenshot immediately. IUPAC name is IUPAC name is pentane. Common name पूछता तो आप बोलते N-pentane. Am I correct? है ना? Common name हो जाता N-pentane.
सर कॉमन नेम अल्काइल नहीं होता?
नहीं, alkyl नहीं. ये तो complete alkane है ना? N-pentane, straight chain. N-pentane, remember? N-pentane. Chalo students. Next I'll give you example for Lavanya. You had any doubt? Your hand was raised. You had any doubt, Lavanya? Okay, chalo branch पे चलते हैं students. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, and C2H5. Give me IUPAC for this compound, students. Give me IUPAC for this. This is example of branched chain alkane. Branched chain alkane. ट्रैप जाल बिछा रखा है, ठीक है? जाल बिछा रखा है, बहुत लोग फंसने वाले इसमें, कंफर्म फंसने वाले हैं. आई कैन अश्योर यू दिस, कंफर्म फंस जाओगे. जाल बिछा रखा है मैंने. कार्बन का जाल बिछा रखा है मैंने. लेट मी सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर गेटिंग ट्रैप्ड इन दिस. यस विवेक, योर आंसर इज रॉन्ग. Your answer is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shabash. I think I have the first correct answer. Jigar, you are again confused with E after L. So E won't come. E won't come, है ना? And comma won't come. You will have to put a dash between 2 and M. Between 2 and M, you will have to put a dash to 2 dash. That should be your answer then. Manav Gandhi, numbering pattern is wrong. Everything is right. Manav Gandhi, numbering pattern is wrong. Now it is correct. Soumya Gala, answer is correct. Soumya Gala, your answer is correct. Aditya Gowda, answer is correct. Vari Solanki, answer is wrong. Vivek, answer is wrong. Manav Gandhi, only one mistake. Manav, only one mistake. Your numbering is from the wrong end. Lavanya Patil, answer is wrong. Vari Solanki, I tell you where is the mistake. Vari Solanki, you have to correctly identify the longest continuous carbon chain first. Longest continuous carbon chain. ठीक है वारी, वहां पे mistake हो गया है. You have not correctly identified the longest continuous carbon chain. जिसको आप ब्रांच समझ रहे हो वो आपके कार्बन चेन का हिस्सा है. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर कार्बन चेन. श्रेया सावंत, करेक्ट आंसर. श्रेया सावंत, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. चलो डिस्कस कर ले स्टूडेंट्स. श्रेया सावंत, यस मानव, शाबाश, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट नाउ. वारी सोलंकी, स्विच ऑन योर ऑडियो. वारी सोलंकी, स्विच ऑन योर ऑडियो.
Yes, sir.
चलो स्टार्ट. फ्रॉम विच एंड यू स्टार्टेड काउंटिंग वारी?
Left.
Okay, left. ठीक है. Let us move. 1, 2, 3, 4. You stopped over here, right?
Yes.
But how can you stop over here, Vari, when I have a scope to go upwards? Do you agree? है ना? I cannot stop in between. I cannot stop my car in between. है ना? हाईवे पे अगर मैं भगा रहा हूँ गाड़ी को, मैं बीच में रोक के खड़ा हो सकता हूँ क्या? बस this is end of my journey. I don't want to go ahead. That is not allowed. Are you understanding this, Vari?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So this should be your longest continuous carbon chain. Count करो कितने कार्बन्स हैं. एक मिनट, जिगर, एक मिनट. Just a second, huh? Just a second. Yes, Vari. Tell me, how many carbons are there?
6.
Yes, this chain is also okay, jigar. 6. Very good. Shabash, Vari. Shabash. Chalo. So if these are 6 carbons, and if this is my branch, let me circle the branch first. Let me use another color. Chalo, red color. By the way, Jigar ne jo bhi red box banaya tha, that can also be considered, students. Even that can be considered as your longest continuous carbon chain. ठीक है, ये देखो ये वाला. I'll draw that one also. This can also be considered as longest continuous carbon chain. This is also correct. This is what Jigar suggested us. Okay, yes. Vari Solanki, now tell me which end you will start counting from. Which end you will start counting from? Left is right answer, Vari. Shabash. Now try the name. Chalo, try karo. 3, 4. Over here I have 2 carbons. So I'll write 5,6. Okay? Because over here you can see there are 2 carbons. है ना?
2
Batao. 2. Very good.
2
Very good.
methyl hexane.
2 methyl hexane is right answer. क्या बात है? समझ में आया? समझ में आ गया अभी?
Yes, sir.
Very good. घाई घाई कर दिया, मिस्टेक कर दिया बारी. मैंने भी ऐसा थोड़ी देर पहले मिस्टेक किया था जल्दबाजी में. याद है लेक्चर के स्टार्ट में मैंने बोला था मुझे ये गंदी आदत है जल्दबाजी करने की. देखो सबको वही गंदी आदत है. जल्दबाजी किया, अपना आंसर रॉन्ग हो गया. बट वी नो द आंसर, वी नो द कंसेप्ट, वी नो द कंसेप्ट. ठीक है, सो इट शुड नॉट बी रिपीटेड. ओके, ठीक है वारी?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain it?
ओके, I'll re-explain. ये देखो स्टार्ट करूं, पहले स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो स्टूडेंट्स. टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट फर्स्ट. So this is how I started. Okay, who needed the re-explanation? Can you tell? Priya. Okay, chalo Priya, ध्यान दो यहाँ पे. ठीक है, ये देखो Priya, this is how I'll start. I'll first identify the longest continuous carbon chain. Is that understood, Priya? First tell me this. Okay, understood. Shabash. Then I identified my branch. I've encircled it nicely. है ना? Then I started counting the numbers of, I started giving numbers to the carbons inside the box. So I started counting from the end, from where my branch should be nearest. My branch should be nearest. This was the mistake done by Manav. Manav ने क्या mistake किया था पता है? Manav ने ये दो को एक पकड़ लिया. So he started like this. One, he believes in unity. So उसने दो को एक गिना. 2 are one form.
मैंने पहले यही mistake किया था.
Okay. So he numbered them as 1 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 methyl. I don't know how he counted hexane then. 4 methyl hexane. That was his mistake. Chalo, is this clear now, students? Is this clear now? Take a screenshot. Let's go to the next example. Chalo, next example पे चलते हैं. ठीक है? Next example पे चलते हैं. So my next example is for alkene या फिर alkyne. ठीक है students? Alkene या alkyne के लिए next example है मेरा. तो alkene के लिए पहले ले लेते हैं. चलो, for alkene let us take straight chain. So you will tell me the name. ठीक है students? मुझे नाम बताओ. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH double bond. Sorry. CH double bond CH, CH2 and CH3. Tell me the name of this compound. Acha, students, one more request. I'll be quickly going through these structures now. Fatafat se thoda, because only 9 minutes are remaining for the session to end. So we will try and finish off all these structures so that you can complete this topic at home. है ना? चलो, बताओ मुझे. What will be name? Send me your answers in the chat box. I'll write down, by the time I'll write down another alkene branch. ठीक है students? Over here, CH3, CH3 double bond CH, CH3. हाँ, बोल.
Sir, 5 is called pentane, 6 is called hexane. What was 7 called? I forgot.
Heptane.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Very good, Rebecca. Students, you have to denote the address of double bond also. बहुत लोगों ने मुझे सिर्फ heptene लिख के भेज दिया. That is wrong. You have to denote me the position of double bond also. Count करो carbons को and tell me the address of double bond. Very good, Palak. But 3 has to come after T. ठीक है, Palak? Yes, Drasika, that is also correct. Drasika, you can use that also. Septene can also be used, but Rasika, in 11th and 12th standard, majority of textbooks, I should say all the textbooks use heptane rather than septane. So septane is not used. I don't know why, but it is not used. So better you become accustomed to heptane now. Soumya Gala answer is right. Shreya Samant answer is right. Aditya Gowda, your answer is right. Ramesh Sheikh answer is right. Manav Gandhi answer is right. Varis Solanki answer is right. Palak answer is correct. Jigar answer is wrong. Jigar answer is wrong. Numbering pattern is wrong for first one. Rebecca, your answer is right. Rebecca was the first one to reply with the correct answer. Soumya Gala, I think you have missed the number. So I'm not sure if you replied again. Yes, you have replied already. So students, okay. Let me see the reply. It is right now. Okay, students. So I'll name the first compound. First compound numbering कर लेते हैं सबसे पहले. So I'll start numbering from this end because यहाँ से closest है double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 है ना? So number क्या आएगा students? नाम क्या आएगा इसका? The name would be hept. I'll go till T. Remember, I'll go till T. ठीक है, बहुत लोगों ने ये mistake किया students. You have done this mistake. ये देखो, many of you have written like this. Many of you have written like this. HEP 3 teen. This is wrong. This is wrong. You have to number, you have to give the address just before ENE, ANE, OL, ONE, OIC acid. ये सारे functional groups के prefixes हैं, suffixes, sorry, suffix हैं. तो इनके just पहले number आना चाहिए, ठीक है? इनके just पहले number आना चाहिए. So you will first write T and then ये देखो students. Then you write the number which is 3 and then you'll write the in. Hept 3 in. This is correct name. And for the lower one, नीचे वाले के लिए students, नीचे वाले के लिए क्या बात है? Very good, very good. नहीं मानव गांधी, again numbering mistake मानव, numbering mistake. Functional group का address wrong है मानव. Functional group का address wrong है मानव. ठीक है? How many of you have given correct answers? How many of you have given correct answers? Methyl में again E का mistake. जिगर E का mistake है. Bute का E भी आया, बाद में भी आया, that is wrong again. So Jigar, your answer is wrong. Ramesh Sheikh, perfect answer. Aditya Gowda, right answer. Rebecca Dias, right answer. Shreya Sawant, right answer. Shreya Sawant, you have missed the address of double bond. Shreya Sawant, address of double bond नहीं दिया Shreya. ठीक है? Manasvi, yes, answer for the first one is absolutely correct. Manav Gandhi, as I said, your address for the double bond is wrong. Soumya Gala, your answer is correct. Rebecca, I've already, yes. Answer is correct, Rebecca. Aditya Gowda, answer is correct. Palak, answer is correct. Very good, Palak. Shreya Sawant, again, you missed the address of double bond. Varis Solanki, address for the branch is wrong. Address for the branch is wrong, Varis Solanki. Look at it once again. बहुत simple सा error किया. बहुत simple सा. Give me your answer again, Varis Solanki. Yes, what about other students? Others. Falak Nisar, absolutely no answering. Falak Nisar, answers आ ही नहीं रहे हैं. हाँ जिगर.
E के अलावा और कौन सा wrong था? मैं समझा नहीं.
एक मिनट. Yes, Varis Solanki, now your answer is correct. Lavanya Patil, address of double bond as well as branch, both are incorrect. Shreya Sawant, your answer is correct now. Okay, students, I'll write the right answer over here. ठीक है, correct answer लिख देता हूँ. And please let me know कि आपका answer right था कि wrong था. ठीक है, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This is correct counting pattern. And this is my branch over here. Here I have the branch. So my branch is on second carbon, students. So I'll write like this: 2 methyl, bute, 2, and I have this. Okay, 2 methyl butene. Please rectify your mistakes. I hope you've caught your mistakes, students. Take a screenshot. Yes, pucho.
So we have to start numbering from where the branch is there.
You have to start numbering from where your functional group is nearest. In this case, I'll prefer double bond. Always, I'll prefer double bond. So once I've written the numbering, that is what I'm going to follow for everyone, for every branch also. Samjha? In case of alkene,
it is CH3.
हाँ, ये देख लावण्य, ये देख. Have you taken the screenshot, students? I need to delete this. चलो, okay. चलो, ये देखो लावण्य. I'll make it very clear to you. See. There are two things, Lavanya. Always remember. If you have alkane, Lavanya, if you have alkane, ठीक है? Suppose ऐसा मैं structure दे दूँ, Lavanya. This structure: CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, and CH3 over here. So you don't have double bond over here in this structure, right, Lavanya? You don't have double bond over here. Correct. So now you will have to prefer your branch because you have no other choice. You don't have any functional group over here. So you will mark the longest continuous carbon chain. And you will start counting from the end from where branch is closest. Okay, but in this case जो मैंने structure दिया था नीचे लावण्या, in this structure you have to prefer double bond. So I've given numbering according to the double bond first. I don't care about branch. Okay, I don't care about branch. I've looked at the double bond, from which end it is nearest. From which end it is nearest? From the left hand side also same number. From the right hand side also same number. From the
Yes,
left hand
sir.
side also same number. From the right hand side also same number. So which one should I select? Now I will go to the branch. अब मैं branch को पूछूंगा, चल एक काम कर, तू भी preference ले ही ले, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं, है ना? दोनों end से I'm as it is I'm getting the same number for the double bond. So you tell me branch. देखो भी prefer कर लेता हूँ, चल. So therefore I started from the left hand side. Understood?
Yes, but sir, if you have started from right hand side, like दो
हाँ,
आता है ना.
अंडरस्टूड. तो राइट हैंड साइड से चालू करेंगे तो हमारा डबल बॉन्ड तो वही रहेगा, ब्यूट ट्विन, बट ये हो जाएगा 3, है ना लावण्या? दिस विल बिकम 3. करेक्ट? करेक्ट. सो व्हेन आई हैव ऑप्शन ऑफ 2, IUPAC naming says give least numbering, prefer the least numbering. So should I prefer 2 or 3?
2.
2. Shabash. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
चलो students, so I'll go very quickly. हमारा बाकी है कौन सा? I think मैंने ये तो दिया था आपको ऑलरेडी एग्जांपल, है ना? ये वाला एग्जांपल आपको दिया था एरोमेटिक एंड नॉन एरोमेटिक में. ये देखो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दोनों को एग्जांपल मैं दे देता हूँ आपको फटाफट से, लेक्चर एंड होने के पहले. ये देखो इसका एग्जांपल यू कैन राइट साइक्लोब्यूटेन. ऑलरेडी हमने लिख दिया था ये साइक्लोब्यूटेन. ऑलराइट, and this over here you can write cyclobutene, or the example which Jigar had discussed with us. Branch वाला भी आप ले सकते हो, ठीक है? In this case students you can write benzene. Okay, this will do. Okay students, this is benzene. ठीक है? This is cyclobutane. Let me write down the name also. Cyclobutane. Do not leave any space. I don't have space, therefore I'm writing like this. This is cyclobutene. Students, and it is 1 p.m. So the end of the session for us. So I want all of you to discuss this flowchart. I'll be sending this in your group also. I'll share this image in the group also. You can go through this image, draw a nice flowchart, and try to explain things which we have discussed in this session. Try to make a nice notes out of it. Go through the lecture again on YouTube if you want, and अच्छा सा notes बनाओ, create करो, and send me PDF in the group. Let me see क्या क्या आपने बनाया है, ठीक है?
सर कहता है कि जो भी ब्रांच है उसका नंबरिंग स्मॉल रहना चाहिए ना.
हाँ, IUPAC कहता है पहले डबल बॉन्ड को प्रीफर करो, फंक्शन ग्रुप को प्रीफर करो. अभी हमको दोनों एंड से फंक्शन ग्रुप सेम आ रहा था. We were getting फंक्शन ग्रुप at the same count from both the sides. Then अब नेक्स्ट क्या करूं? टाई ब्रेकर कौन होगा? टाई ब्रेकर अब इस केस में बन गया ब्रांच. समझा? इसलिए मैंने अभी ब्रांच को प्रीफर किया. अदरवाइज तो मैं पहले फंक्शन ग्रुप को ही देखूंगा. सो ब्रांच इस केस में एक एंड से आता है 2, एक एंड से आता है 3 पे. सो कौन सा प्रीफर करेंगे? 2 वाला.
सर
यस पलक.
सर तो अगर फंक्शनल ग्रुप का नंबरिंग लीस्ट है पर ब्रांच जो है उसका ज्यादा है तो चलेगा?
Yes, doesn't matter. As I said, doesn't matter. ठीक है, doesn't matter. क्योंकि पलक, very simple logic, very simple. If suppose पलक के घर पे कोई गेस्ट आ गए, ठीक है, पलक के मामा घर पे आ गए, ओके, एंड पलक की मम्मी ने एकदम मस्त जूस बनाया जो पलक का भी फेवरेट है. तो वो जूस पहले किसको मिलेगा? पलक को कि उनके मामा को?
मामा को.
मामा को मिलेगा ना. पलक बोल रही है अरे मैं तो हर दिन यही घर में रहती हूँ, अरे क्या कर रहे हो? यू शुड प्रीफर मी, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टडी फॉर यू, आई एम गोइंग टू स्कोर मार्क्स फॉर यू. मम्मी क्या बोलेगी? चुपचाप साइड हट जा. ठीक है, साइड हटा के मामा को जाके जूस दे देगी, एंड देन पलक विल बी प्रीफर्ड. सो जो गेस्ट है उसको प्रेफरेंस मिलना चाहिए. ठीक है, फंक्शनल ग्रुप विल बी प्रीफर्ड. चलो स्टूडेंट्स, ऑन दैट नोट आई विल एंड द सेशन. आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस सेशन. मजा आ गया आज, है ना?
यस सर.
हाँ, ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. बहुत मजा आया. ओके श्रेया सावंत, थैंक यू वेरी मच श्रेया. I want PDF. If Rebecca, if you can, students, if you can create videos out of this, ठीक है, अगर आप इसके ऊपर वीडियोस बना सकते हो तो go for it. But PDF तो आपको बनाना ही पड़ेगा. PDF is compulsion. नोट्स बनाना कंपल्सन है. वीडियो आपके ऊपर ऑप्शन है. अगर आप बनाते हो वीडियो, आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड इट ऑन यूट्यूब फॉर यू फ्रॉम योर साइड. ठीक है, आपके वीडियोस हम यूट्यूब पे अपलोड करेंगे विद अ थंबनेल व्हिच विल हैव योर फोटो आल्सो. तो आपके फोटोग्राफ के साथ हमने अपलोड होगा. आपने ऑलरेडी हमारे चैनल पे देखा होगा, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स के वीडियो ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड हैं. फिजिक्स पे, केमिस्ट्री पे, बायो पे, देयर आर मेनी वीडियोस. So I would always encourage that. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye bye. Take a very good care of yourself, students. Yes,
Thank you so much, sir.
Manasvi. Bye bye. Most welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.